this video, we're going to classify, color, and order numbers based on the number sets, the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, and irrationals. Starting out, purple is the color we're going to use for the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers, which means that ones that can be most accurately described as the natural numbers. This will be all of our counting numbers starting from 1. So any positive number that is an integer greater than 1, we're going to put in purple. Now, remember to reduce fractions. For black, it's going to be for the whole numbers. The only difference between the naturals and the whole numbers is the inclusion of 0, so everything in gray will be a 0. Remember that 0 divided by any number is 0, so we're only looking for zeros for black. For green, it's going to be if it's integers and rationals. Because we've already done the positive integers with purple and black, green will only be used for the negative integers. Again, remember to reduce fractions to see if they fit, and also reduce square roots because they might work. In this case, the square root of 144 is 12, and so that will reduce. And 42 over 3 is 14. Okay, for reds, it's going to be any rational number, which is any number that can be described by a fraction or a finite or repeating decimal. 2/5 is a fraction. And 100.02 is finite. All of these mixed numbers will be rational. As long as they didn't reduce before, they will be in our rational bucket. Same with this 9.5. And then finally, in blue, we're going to do the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are infinite, non-repeating decimals. The square roots of all of our prime numbers. The square root of 22 is the same thing as the square root of 2 times the square root of 11. There is no rational reduction of that. And so we end up with this as our final result.